I was not disappointed. My channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. Today it is another handbag in-depth analysis. We are talking about one of the handbags that in 2023 made a splash. Now, it took me a while to get on board with this handbag. When I first saw it, I fell in love with it, but then I was like, everybody has it, let me wait. Now, before we unbox the handbag, comment below and let me know which bag you think it's gonna be. All right, let's unbox it and let's talk about it. Now that you've seen the bag, was it what you were expecting? This handbag, when it came out, I feel like I saw it on every influencer possible. It was such a unique piece of art. There are bags that you buy that are like classic pieces that you know you'll get your resale value out of. They're beautiful, they will last you. They're classic black, they're classic brown, they will last you a long time. And then there are bags that you just see and you love, and you know as a handbag lover it's gonna be in your collection. Like, it's a bag that's I gotta have it. This was my moment with this YSL Laurent takeaway leather box bag. I absolutely fell in love with this bag, but again, I wanted to wait to see if I still liked it as much as I did as the months went on, and I saw less and less people buying it, wearing it, talking about it. And I ended up going to Chicago and seeing it in person, and I realized, yeah, I'm gonna order this bag. I am definitely gonna get this bag. It's beautiful, the leather's supple. I wish you could hold this bag and you would see what I mean. It's a unique piece that I feel like if you really, really love handbags and you like unique pieces, this is going to be one that you're going to gravitate towards and you're going to love. So let's get into it. Let's talk about some of the dimensions, some of the specs, what fits inside of it, and 2 ways to style it. And we have it right here. I've already unboxed it, but I tied it back up with a bow because I'm extra like that. I'm going to go ahead and open it and take a look at this beautiful piece of art. Saint Laurent takeaway box comes in calf leather, and it comes in 2 different colors. It comes in this gorgeous brown and this gorgeous black color. I wanted the black, but I could not find it anywhere, and I ended up finding this brown one at Saks Fifth. So I said, I'll just go with this color. It'll fit a lot of things, and I was not disappointed. I was not disappointed. Okay, when it came and I opened it, I said, yes, ma'am, you picked the right color for you. A chocolate girl with a chocolate bag. It's actually not that chocolate. It's more like a gorgeous tan color, a darker tan, but it is. Ahead and read all the dimensions of the bag because I'm not going to remember it. Dimensions are 19 by 21 by 10 centimeters by 7.4 by 8.2 by 3.9 inches. I have no idea what that means. If that means anything to you, congratulations. I don't know anything about measurements. So, it's a square bag. It's a box bag. It's a light bronze. It has light bronze toned metal hardware. The interior, there's a patch pocket. It is calfskin leather, and it has a suede lining. So again, this is leather. Even though you wouldn't think that it is a beautiful leather. It opens just like a lunch pail. Like when you go to the Chinese takeout store and you get a takeout box with your little chow mein in it, it opens just like that, and it just opens into a wide open space. I'm gonna bring it closer so you can take a look at it, but this is it so far. It just opens into a wide cavernous space for you to put your items inside of. The bottom of it is folded over just like a takeaway box. The details, baby, the details. Give me details all day long, like the stitching, the beauty of the bag. It feels amazing. It feels so smooth, and the embossed YSL also feels great to the touch. It is just a beautiful bag. So let's bring it closer and let's talk some more about the details of the bag. So again, this is more so the color that it is. It's a little bit lighter than what it's coming off in camera, but it is not a tan color. It's a darker beige than tan. I love the gold hardware details of the YSL. Of course, we know this is the emblem for YSL that they put in on most of their bags. It is harnessed onto the bag with these studs all over the YSL logo. And again, you can see the logo. Where are we? There we go. You can see the beautiful logo embossed all over the bag. It's all over the bag. On every spot, you'll see the YSL in its own like little triangle. The bottom of it is folded over just like a takeaway box. It's the details of the bag. They said it was a takeaway box and they made it a takeaway box with the details. This is the size of the bag. Again, the beautiful YSL motif embossed inside of the bag, and then the back again is just that beautiful YSL logo all over it. You open it by, let me close it back up. So it closes, let's bring it, it closes with this leather insert piece that then pulls off. You see that? So the two ends close together. That also happens on both sides, and it opens into this beautiful suede interior. Look at that beautiful interior. It is suede, so you do have to be careful what you get inside of it and how you clean it. You want to make sure that you don't get any liquids inside of this bag. But again, you can get a bag insert for this bag because it is, the shape is easy to find a bag insert. It does have one sleeve. There we go. It does have one sleeve right here that you can put your debit card or your ID inside of. And that's pretty much it for the bag. You close it again by putting the two handles together and then bringing it through the holes that are given to you, just like a takeaway box. And you're going to do the same on this side. And it just closes like this, like so. What did Tabitha Brown say? Like this, like so. So that is how you open and close a takeaway box. It is just, again, a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. Now, let's talk about what fits inside of this bag. Now, this bag will fit a lot. It is just wide open spaces. So let's see what fits inside of Little Mamacita. Our bag is currently full, so let's take it out and see what can actually go inside of it. It does fit a substantial bit because again, it is just one wide open square area and things can just easily drop into it. It will fit a full-size iPhone 15 Pro Max, no problem. There's space for an even bigger phone if your phone is a little bit bigger. It will fit a full-size compact, a full-size bottle of lotion. This is the Clinique lotion. I swear by it. So good. It will fit a mini wallet. You can also fit a bigger size wallet inside of it. The dimensions is pretty substantial. It will fit your makeup brush. I don't go anywhere without a makeup brush. And my inhaler. I don't go anywhere without my inhaler. It is missing the medicine. I know. You don't have to tell me. So it will fit quite a bit inside of it and still have room for a little bit more. So if you're looking for a bag that's unique, that's leather, that's a great price point, and is functional, I would definitely highly recommend this. The only thing about this bag is it is only a top handle. There are no rings to wear as a crossbody. You cannot put a crossbody anywhere. I mean, you could get maybe crossbody straps and add here, but after a while it will wear and tear on the leather, so I just wouldn't recommend it. So that's probably the only downside to this bag. It is a top handle bag. That's it. Maybe you can wear it as a clutch. I don't even know if you can. The arms don't collapse, so it's gonna be kind of, it looks like you're holding a lunch pail. So it is seriously just a top handle bag, but I don't mind it. This is a cute bag for if you're going out with the girls for brunch. Before I go any further, let's go to the next section. Where would we wear this bag to and how would we style it? Comment below and let me know how you would style the bag and where you would wear it to. First way I would style this bag is for a girl's brunch. Baby, I'm trying to show up and show out with a gloss. So I would wear this with an all cream look and let the bag kind of be the focal point of the show. So cream pair of pants, a cream blazer or cream top, like a gorgeous silky button down cream top with a pair of cream pants and a blazer over my shoulder, a pair of cream heels, and then let this bag sort of be that talking point of this whole cream ensemble. Because the colors are so muted with this cream look, a little bit of brown or darker, richer tan will really add some interest to this look. So that's the first way I would style this. I'm not with my kids. They're not gonna mess up my cream outfit, so I can wear this outfit to my heart's content and show up and show out for the girls. I promise you, all of them will be asking to look at this bag, to hold it, to take pictures of it when they see it, because baby, she's that girl, okay? She is the moment. The second way I would style this is with a gorgeous sweater dress for a date night with my husband. We try to do date night like once a week. It doesn't always work out. Maybe it's like twice a month, let me not lie, because we're busy and we have kids. But on the days we can get out for date night, I love a sweater dress in the winter. A sweater dress, a pair of boots, and this gorgeous bag. I would even style this bag with an all black outfit. All black jeans, black button down, and let the bag be that brown that pops out. You can even put a brown coat with the all black outfit. You could do slacks, a black button down, a brown coat, and this brown bag, and it will eat every single time. This is such a versatile bag. Yes, it is trendy. Yes, you may not get your money back if you try to sell it in 5 years, but will it bring you joy? Maybe not. But it definitely brought me joy, and that's all that matters. So if this sounds like a bag that you would be interested in, go ahead and let me know. Comment down below. Let me know where you would wear it to, how you would style it, and what color you would get if you could get a color. Would you get the brown or the black? I'm still in love with the black, and I may still go get it now that I'm thinking about her. So I hope you enjoyed sitting on this corner of the internet with me. If you're not a part of my family, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our community. If you're already following me, click the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I go live. If you're not following me on my other social platforms, it is Fumi Ford across all the multiverse. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you, mean it.